Man, Friday was a wild one if you were invested in SGBX because this stock nearly doubled in price only to find itself back at $4.13. In this video, we're going to talk about what caused this run up, where I think this stock is going in the next week, and whether or not I think this stock is still a buy at current prices. Let's go ahead and get started. So on Friday at 3:20 p.m., SGBX was like,
you know what, I think I'm just going to skyrocket to the moon.
And many brokerages needed to halt the share price because of what was happening. In 45 minutes, this stock went up 85%. And I'm pretty sure I saw this stock double, but you know what, I'm just going to go based off of what the brokerages were saying. Now, many people were trying to figure out exactly what happened with this stock, and I'm going to go ahead and share my opinions as to what I think actually happened. For a stock to move this much, there had to be a lot of trading volume in comparison to the amount of shares outstanding. This company only has 8.82 million shares outstanding, and on Friday, there was over 6 million shares traded. I mean, the average trading volume for the stock is right around 196,000 shares. That is 30x the average trading day for this company. I believe that this was a planned momentum play, and with a low amount of shares, it is easy to move this stock price. So the question then becomes, why Friday out of all days? Well, for those of you that haven't seen, Donald Trump's social media SPAC stock doubled in price, and Donald Trump Jr. became the senior advisor for SGBX in 2012. I was seeing it all over the comments of people celebrating over this news, and I'm like,
really?
I mean, it's not even on the same day. Anyway, I digress. So many people were trying to put it all together and say that any stock that was associated with Trump was going to move. Now, if you were a shareholder on Thursday and you held all the way through, you're still up 30%. So the next question we need to be able to answer is, what is this stock going to be doing over the next week? There are a couple of things that I could see happening. First, I think this stock could end up going back down to around the 350 range. I don't think it'll go all the way back down because I think some people are going to try to hold all the way through Q3 earnings, which is in mid-November. Now, even though I could see this happening, I also see a good possibility that because of what happened on Friday, this stock could end up getting on a lot more people's radars, which could lead to more investors researching this stock and realizing that the price to sales ratio right now is somewhere around 1. So I would not be surprised, especially over the next couple of months, to see this stock move up because more people have heard of this stock and have done their research. First off, I would like to say that I did not sell a single share on the run up. I'm still holding all of my shares and I am perfectly fine with it. Now, do I plan on adding more? Honestly, at current share prices, no. But I think if I were to start a position right now in this company, I would not mind starting at this current share price. I mean, the current market cap is at $42 million, and I'm predicting that this company could have $40 million of revenue this year. I mean, let's be real. How many growth companies do you know that are making their market cap in revenue? And the other thing to consider about this stock is SGBX has been executing, especially over the last 6 months, and I want to give credit to the management team, in particular, their COO, William Rogers. Now, I know a lot of people are wondering why the COO. For me, when this company hired William Rogers back in December, I started to see how over the next 8 months, they have allowed investors to be able to see the progress that's been going on with their projects. And as long as this company continues to execute over the next year, I would not be surprised to see a $100 million market cap for this company by the end of 2022, especially with all the new projects that they're planning on starting in the back half of next year. Now, if I were starting a position right now, based off of the price action, honestly, I would not start with a big position because I'm anticipating a bleeding out of the share price. But my cost basis is way lower than the current share price, and so I do not want to add to my position unless I see the 325 range. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please destroy that like button. That helps this channel immensely, as well as comment down below what your thoughts are on SGBX and their price action. Would love to hear your thoughts on that. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you know when new content comes out. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one.